Hi, good morning everyone. Just wanted to hop on while I'm going on my walk and talk to you about a couple of things that are on my mind as I'm walking. You can see here I'm walking with my dog Augie. Anyway, so as we walk, I'm just gonna chat to you about a few things on my mind. I guess the first thing on my mind with now being on Carnivore for 5 months is the reminder of the need for patience. That, I didn't get to where I'm at being overweight and having inflammatory issues in 5 months. So the reminder of taking my vitamin P, patience every morning, reminding myself how resilient we are as humans. The reminder not just of patience and persistence, but how much better I feel after 5 months. I hopped on to this meat-based diet with the intention of doing it for 30 days. And now we're on to month 5. I've probably been on every diet possible. Weight Watchers, Noom was the latest, with no success, and just feeling like, I was white knuckling, hungry all the time and irritable. Now I feel satiated and happy. But still, there's mornings like this morning where I'm out hiking and thinking, reminding myself of the patience. And while I'm walking here, I just thought this would be a nice reminder for a few of you online this morning of the need for patience, that we're healing our bodies right now through eating a proper human diet. So I hope everyone has a good day. When I get back, I'll film what my breakfast looks like. Not every day do I have breakfast. I find the longer I hike and the more active I am, obviously, the more hungry I am. So I eat when I'm hungry, and I try to just eat until I'm comfortably full, not stuffed. And that's a learning process too that we can talk about further. But this morning's message is really just patience, taking our vitamin P. Make sure you follow and subscribe to Meat Mindset, and just keep eating your meat. Have a good day.